Hi guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for stopping by. So my nail art collection has slowly been growing and I've been showing you guys that throughout a series of videos. And I'm hoping that you are enjoying seeing my collection grow. These are containers that are now empty, completely empty. And hopefully I will reuse them again. But now I have a bunch of empty containers that I am not going to do anything with. So when I get maybe extra nail art that I can't fit into my bigger organizers, maybe I will put some nail art in there. The point of getting my bigger organizers is to avoid having so many smaller containers. So that's what I'm trying to avoid. So right now I'm going to organize the rest of these metal flowers by color, so it's just a little bit easier to find. So I'm going to continue doing that. I just love the look of the colored flowers inside of the clear container. I really wanted to kind of house all of my nail art together in one place. This is why I bought 2 of these organizers. I still think I need one more, and you'll see why in a minute, because I still have quite a few smaller organizers that I'd like to kind of consolidate into one big one so that I could not have any more smaller organizers. And then when I go low or empty, and the bigger organizers, I can just fill it up and not have any more smaller organizers. So that is my plan. And this organizer that I am putting these flowers in by color, on the left there are chunkier charms that are blinged out, and you will see in a second here. There you go. So now I have the roses organized by color. That bottom right, all the way to the right on the last section on the bottom, those are the only Swarovski crystals I have. I'm hoping to someday grow a bigger collection of Swarovski crystals, but I do know, I can't even say it's Swarovski. Um, I do know the whole story about the whole Swarovski. How do you pronounce it? I know the whole story, so I don't think that if you are just a person that likes to do their nails at home, if you are not a nail technician, I do not believe, or a business, maybe a salon, I'm not sure. I don't believe that you can buy any more of those crystals. So I'm happy with the couple that I received. I believe I received those from Daily Charm in PR package quite a while ago. So hopefully my Swarovski, hopefully my crystal collection can grow. Here's another empty container. So I'm just going to continue to fill up this organizer slowly. I just wanted to, I've already said this a few times, but I just want to let you know that none of this nail art was bought kind of all at the same time. This has been years and years and years of me collecting all of this nail art. So I just want you to keep that in mind when you're building your collection. So I still have a few smaller organizers here that I'm going to show you. I actually bought a few more of these clear organizers from Shein that should be coming in the mail. Look out for my Shein video that will be coming up very, very soon, hopefully in the next week whenever the package arrives. Stay tuned for that video. I'm trying to see, check out my community tab and please vote, because I want to see if you guys like, or if you'd like for me to record the Shein haul. Do you want me to talk throughout the video? Do you want me to play music over the entire thing? Or do you want me to do both? And so that's kind of a poll that I have going on right now. So if you'd be so kind and to head over to my community tab and just click whichever answer you'd like. And that really helped me out a lot to figure out how I'm going to record my next video. Or not my next video, but the Shein video when it comes. The Shein haul video when it comes. You guys know what I'm trying to say. So anyway, I mean, I do love these containers. I don't want to have 10 of them, 10 more of them. So if I think I'm going to try to consolidate these gold studs with each other, the smaller gold studs with this bigger organizer, and then these I'm going to try to consolidate with this organizer here. Then these over here, I don't know, I'm going to see what I can do with them and try to fit them in somewhere. So that is my plan. I think that I will eventually get just another acrylic organizers that you see in front of you. I think I will get just one more and then I'll be fine, because I love metal studs and I have quite a big collection of kind of metal studs. I have a bunch of metal butterflies, so I definitely think that I should get a different organizer for that. This organizer here is going to remain how it is until I can find something else. I guess, I don't know, this is kind of like my little fun box when I do kind of more elaborate, kind of colorful nail art that's not a rhinestone or a charm. So that goes in here along with little spangles. There are some rhinestones in here that I do want to get out. I think I just want one square for rhinestones, so that I don't always have to go inside of my rhinestone box. And yeah, the new flowers that I bought, I added the new gummy bears in here. I added some metal flowers to here as well. And I'm just going to keep adding slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah, this box is really, really fun and I love it. I'm going to probably lay some music over the rest of this video. I hope that you enjoy watching. I am now going to show you a couple of items that I did buy from Amazon. So again, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I will see you in a couple of minutes. The box did come damaged. I think that maybe someone dropped it on its side. There are plastic pieces inside of the box, but one of the baggies is missing. So I looked in the bag that it came in, you know, the packaging from Amazon. It is not in there, so I'm not sure where the baggie went. I don't know if it got shipped this way, because you would think that if it got, you know, if it fell on the corner in shipping, that the baggie would still be in there. The charms would still be in the box, don't you think? Maybe it fell out into the Amazon bag, but it'd still be in there, so it's not in there. And I checked several times, so anyway, I mean, I wrote to the seller. I don't know what they're going to be able to do. Don't know if they're going to be able to do much. I don't know. I already opened all the bags and, you know, sorted all of the stones into a new organizer, so don't know if I'm going to be returning it, but I don't know. I just wanted to let them know that it got messed up during shipping, and I actually didn't have, you know, there were some items missing. So definitely always communicate with the seller, guys. Definitely, you don't want to, I mean, even if there's nothing that they can do, it's good that you at least let them know so that they can maybe prevent that from happening next time. Or maybe put a little bit more packaging on their item or something like that. Anyway, other than that, I do have to say that this is a great kit. This is a great, great, great kit. If you are looking for these aren't really, are they rhinestones? They're more like crystals, kind of, guys. They're not really rhinestones. I've been looking for, these are my bigger stones that I think I'm going to continue to add. That's why I didn't add them to there, because I wanted to kind of grow my collection of bigger stones. But with this kit here, I do think that I have another organizer. It's it right in front of you. I'm going to add these into this older organizer just because I wanted to what's the word that I'm looking for? I don't know where's the word that I'm looking for, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I just wanted to put these in here because the other box was damaged and it's a little bit bigger. This one's smaller, so it'll fit better with my stuff. I am loving these stones. These are gorgeous. I've actually have had my eye on these stones for a really long time, but I was going to buy them individually. And then when I saw them in this kit, I said, oh, gotta get my hands on them. Depending on how the light hits, it'll hit green, pink, blue. These are stunning. Purple. They're gorgeous. I love all the different shapes that they have. They have these gold studs that come with them as well. Also, there are smaller rhinestones that do come with the kit as well. Also, 2 rhinestone pickers and a tweezer is what this kit comes with. I believe I paid $16 for this kit, which wasn't bad because I feel like these kits on Amazon run way more expensive. So go ahead and grab this kit up if you are looking for something like this. I was really surprised of the amount of stones in each bag. And I do like that everything was in a bag and not in the box. I'm probably going to get rid of this box. I don't know if I should just keep it just in case. But here is one of the rhinestone pickers here. As you can see, it works. And FYI, the tweezer is incredibly sharp, so just be careful with that. I'm going to leave all of the Amazon links in the description below, so go ahead and check that out if you are interested in anything that you see that I bought from Amazon. So really quickly about these display stands. I'm not too happy about the pieces that attach to the to the display. So there are the gold, sorry guys, there are the gold pieces that attach to the display. So the gold pieces themselves are very lightweight, and also the magnet on the bottom of them I don't think is very strong. Now the magnet on the display itself is not very strong, but I do have other display little pieces here that I have bought in the past that are not these gold ones. As you can see, look how strong, or look how not strong the magnet is. These are a little bit stronger, so I'll probably use the white ones that I have with this organizer when I do videos, or when I make some press-on sets. I definitely will use these instead. The gold pieces, I maybe will use them, but I definitely think that these white display pieces, the magnet on them is a little bit stronger. Just a really quick short story. This is my first set of display stands like this. I do have many display pieces and stands that are different, that are just different, not like this kind. This is the type that everybody has, right? Everybody's got those display stands. I didn't. This is my first display stands of this type, and so since the magnet on the bottom is not so strong, I definitely think that I'm going to try to find at least 2 more, hopefully that are a little bit stronger. This is a poly gel kit that I believe I got for $23. I could be wrong. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on a new poly gel kit, but I wanted a decent sized poly gel kit. In a second you'll see how big the actual poly gels are. They're not so big, they're just 15 ml bottles. A ton of stuff in this kit, and I believe it's a great kit. I'm showing you guys slowly pulling things out. This is a nail file. This is a really great kit. It comes with instructions on how to apply it says gel polish, but I'm assuming the base coat and matte coats. It's showing how to apply the polygel. It's even showing you how to prep your nails, so it's a great little pamphlet. I'm going to slowly show you a few of these polygels, probably not every single one. Every polygel has a number, a color. Also, there is a temper seal on it. I believe there might be a color or two that the colors aren't exact to the little swatch on the top, but that's okay. I'm loving how each individual polygel is packaged. I don't think I've ever seen that before, but I really like that, so that way you can make sure that, no one has really messed with your polygel and you're not getting a used bottle. I'm not a huge fan of swatching out polygels, specifically polygels, because I just feel like it's a little bit of a waste. So you will not see me doing swatches in this video of these polygels. I believe this is a great kit to kind of play around with. I don't know if these polygels are going to last because they are so teeny tiny. You might be able to get a set or 2 or 3 maybe with these polygels. Again, I wasn't looking for a set that was huge. I'm slowly starting to get a collection of bigger, like 60 ml bottles, specifically clears, because I really want some clear polygel to encapsulate with. So I'm trying to work on my collection of some clear polygels, and I just wanted to have a couple of colors of polygel just in case, someday I wanted to do polygel instead of a builded gel or a Gel-X extension. So just another kit to play around with, have fun, lots of colors, lots of options. I believe there are 3 glitter polygels that I'm going to show you in a second. Anyway, really great kit here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you maybe check this kit out if this is something that you're interested in. Again, I will leave all the links in the description below. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you enjoyed watching.